Hi guys, as you can see it's still shitty weather in Belgium, no good weather to ride, so what better time to do some little upgrades to the lowrider as just look at this beauty, sitting here waiting for the good weather. So what are we going to install? Today we are going to install this little swing arm bag. I bought a swing arm bag from Kamimoto. This video is not sponsored, so I'm not going to do a review on the video on the saddlebag. This video is not sponsored, so I'm not going to do a review on this swing arm bag, but if you like I can do a little review, but they are all the same. This video is not sponsored by Kamimoto, this is just the one I bought, so I'm not going to do a little review on the bag. They are all the same, you just need to attach them with 3 straps. So I'm going to show you. This one will go on the swing arm, it will be like this. Okay guys, if you want to follow the instruction manual, you need to attach the bag with 3 belts. 1, 2, 3. The instruction manual says you need to put it inside, so I'll show you. I'll show you in a minute. You need to put the belt inside like that and tie it from the back. But I don't like it that way because you still have loose parts. Okay, they give you some clip ties as you can see, but you still have some loose parts attached around your belt, around your wheel housing, so I don't like that. I'm going to install it like this and attach it from the inside. That's the way I'm going to try to do it. But first, I still have some wrapping material, some wrap from smoking my reflectors, so I'm going to apply it on the swing arms so the belts don't put scratches on them. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. You don't need to do this. This is a step. You don't need to do this. You can just attach it right against this, but I would like to protect my paint a little bit so it don't scratch, so I'm going to do that first. Alright guys, I just measured it out. I need to apply paint protection here, here and there. Just in front of this bit, in front of this bit and here. So I'm going to apply this. It doesn't need to be perfect, it's just to protect the paint. If I'm going to take the saddlebag off, I will take this smoked paper off. So I'm just going to apply it to make sure it doesn't make any scratches. Alright guys, as you can see I've applied the paint protection. It isn't perfect, but it doesn't have to be. It's just to protect it from any more scratches. Okay, so next step is to put on the saddlebag. Alright guys, change of plans. I did them with zip ties, not with these annoying belts. They don't work for shit. So I just did it with zip ties, and when I want to clean the bike, I'm just going to cut them off from behind. I can take the bag off and just put it on with zip ties again. Way easier and way more tight. These belts aren't tight enough. Okay guys, so now I got some space to put some tools. That was maybe why they included 3 in the package, so you can choose what to do. I got some tools because hey, you're riding an Harley, one bolt will come off once. So we're going to put these tools in like this. Then we can look at the finished product, what it looks like. Let's take a look. Oh, it looks good. It looks clean, very clean. Let's take a look from behind. Yeah, very nice. Alright guys, that's it, very easy. So I suggest zip ties instead of these belts. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.